Exercise 4C question number 23. A factory sold a sofa to a furniture shop at a profit of 5%. The shop owner then sold the sofa to the customer at a profit of 25% for this amount of money, the selling price. Part A. How much did the shop owner pay the factory for the sofa? Okay, let's look at the situation like this. Factory sell the sofa to the shop, make profit, and then the shop sell to the customers and make a profit. And now this is selling price. So what we need to find out how much the shop pay the factory, right? So we don't know. That means we want to find this. So with respect to the shop, it is the cost for the shop, right? So actually, part A, find out the cost for the shop. We have look at focus on the shop. We have the selling price, right? The selling price, and then we have the increase, percentage increase. Actually, this is the profit percent. So we use these two information to find the cost, right? So that is selling. The cost is the selling price for the shop, right? Offered by the shop. That is $5,250, right? Over a factor. That factor is now you see increase, so it should be a 1 plus 25%. So that is 5250 over 1.25. The answer is $4,200. Okay, so part B. What was the cost price of the sofa for the factory? Now we focus on the factory. Factory. And the cost price, that means someone, let's say the wholesaler, sell the sofa to the factory or some raw material, whatever. So we don't know this, but we know that the factory had sold the sofa at this profit percent, and the selling price actually equal to this, right? Because the shop need to pay this amount to the factory. This is actually the selling price for the selling price to the shop offered by the factory. So what is this? That is the cost. The cost for the factory. Also focus on the factory. We have these two information: the selling price over a factor. That factor should be what? And you see that the factory earned 5%, right? So plus here 1 plus 5%. So it's 4200 over 1.05, and this is $4,000. Okay. Now finally part C. So if the factory sold the sofa directly to the customer for this amount of money, so find the profit percent. Okay. So directly from the factory to the customers, and the cost for the factory we have calculated. This is $4,000. Now directly to customers as sell at the lower price, that is $4,500. So talking about the percentage increase or the profit percent, right? The profit percent for the factory. So it is equal to the profit made by the factory. That is from this one to that one. So that is increase of this amount over the cost right? Look at the factory. What is cost? This one, the cost. So should be 4,000 multiplied by 100%. So the answer should be 12.5%. That is a perfect percent.